In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your header and footer in Wix Studio in just minutes. If you're looking to make quick edits to your website's appearance, this guide will be perfect for you. Let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to Wix Studio by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Wix Studio website. Wix Studio is a powerful platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises who want a seamless web design experience. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so to proceed. For convenience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. It provides a fast and secure way to access your Wix Studio account without having to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged in, look for your website in the dashboard and click on it to open the editor. The Wix Studio editor is user-friendly and offers a plethora of tools for customizing your site. The first task is to select the header section of your website. Click on it to activate the editable options. One of the things you might want to adjust is the responsive behavior of the header. This is crucial for ensuring that your site looks great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. In the header settings, locate the option that allows you to edit the responsive behavior and make the necessary tweaks. Experiment with different settings until you're satisfied with how the header will adapt to various screen sizes. Next, explore the scroll effect settings. This feature lets you decide how your header behaves when users scroll down your page. Whether you want it to stay fixed at the top, also known as freeze, or have it disappear to provide more viewing space, you can make these changes here. There's also an option to make the header fade out gradually as users scroll, which can give your site a more dynamic feel. Color customization is another important aspect. You can change the color of your header to align with your brand or simply refresh your site's look. Head to the color settings and select hues that complement your brand's palette. Finally, remember that every change you make to the header can also be applied to the footer. The process is virtually identical, ensuring consistency across your website. Simply scroll down to the footer, select it, and apply the same steps to edit its appearance and behavior. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to updating your header and footer in Wix Studio in no time at all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy web design tips.